I'm Melanie Mills. Welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. I'm back, and today we're gonna talk about the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star palette conspiracy. I got it, and let's dive in. Hey, welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. So glad you're here. So today we're gonna get into the conspiracy palette. All right, the reason I chose to do this is it's not my normal thing at all, but like my kids were into this. Like we watched it together, we watched some of the videos, and then we decided we didn't like watching them together. We watched them separately and then discussed them. And then we got together and we got the palette ourselves. Like we're on the phone, we're texting, we're all trying to get in. And it was exciting, and so it was like a fun family thing. Thank you, Jeffree and Shane, very much for my fun family thing. Now I'm gonna try it myself because that's what I do. I like makeup. I'm Melanie, I'm 46 years old, I have rosacea and sensitive skin, and it irritates my eyes and my skin all the time. Anyway, and so I put out videos because I can. All right, so let's just jump right in. I suck at putting on makeup, but I was gonna show you like what a beginner does when they get this palette. So you get this palette and you're like, holy shit, it's beautiful. Oh, here's the box. I kind of like the box. The box wasn't as thick as I thought. I mean, this is so stupid, but it's really pretty, and like, I kind of just dig it. I like, oh yes, conspiracy. There you go. All right, this is really pretty. It feels amazing, and I don't know, I just like it. Okay, then I open it up, and I even like the sound it makes opening it. All right, I don't know, I like the sound. And then my daughter was like, oh, I'm gonna take off the mirror. And I was like, no, you're not taking off that little plastic off the mirror, no. So here we go. Oh, this is blocking my light. So what do you do with this palette? Ooh, shining lights. All right, and then the thing is, my brushes are all dirty, so like we're gonna like start in with like, like a brush that isn't my normal brush. All right, so first time ever using it, I kind of stuck my fingers in it. We did, because like, how could you not? And like this one looks like I really stuck my fingers in it. So I was just gonna start with like my Pels, because that looked like the color I would set this concealer with. And so we'll go, woo. Oh yeah, kick up. But that's all right, we're just gonna pack it back on the brush. Can you see it? It's quite powdery. All right, that's quite powdery. So don't dig on in. All right, first thing you need to know about this one is don't dig in. That's all right. I'm a fan of that. It means it lasts longer, right? Here's me, non-makeup artist, swatching this shit on my eyes. But now I got all this extra, and I don't, do I powder that? Okay. Now the color I swatched that I was most in love with is this pigment. It doesn't look that pretty in this palette. It just looks like, and that actually is one of the things I hate about palettes, is when the color looks different. But look at it on the brush. I mean, I barely touched it, and it came off onto the brush like that, like the holy pigment. All right, so for me, that's the type of thing I'm gonna stick in my crease and out. I'm going in the crease and out, in the crease and out, in the crease and out. I'm gonna go with spiraling under the eye, because that's the kind of, oh, look how dark that came out. Holy shit. I forget, like I'm digging in, but you don't have to dig in with this. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I fucked up. Just what happens when I put makeup on. I fuck up. All right, this. All right, so then I'm gonna take, like I said, not a fact. It's just so pigmented. I'm just kind of almost frightened of it. All right, so we're gonna get that in there. What do you think? Oh, I like that. All right, so I'm gonna dip in again to not a fact. Now why don't we get another brush? Oh, I like this one. All right, so another brush. And we're going into, I didn't go into Tanacon. All right, we're gonna go into Just a Theory, because that is such a pretty color, Just a Theory, okay? Yeah, look. I mean, this is, it went on dry with a dry brush, and it looks like I used, I wet my brush. That's really nice. I'm thinking I want to dive into the Illuminati, but I know it's not going to look this green, but I really wish it was this green. And I really wish I had the Conspiracy palette. This is, wait, yeah, this is a Conspiracy. The mini palette. It's not called Conspiracy. What is it? Controversy? Hey, it came out really nice and green looking underneath there, huh? All right. Something is missing. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I just know that I need some of that Trisha on my eye. I'm not going to be happy unless I get Trisha on my eye. God, look at that. I'm sorry, Jeffree, I failed you. I failed. All right. Boom, boom. Let's finish the look. Okay, final look. All right, so my final thoughts. Okay, I don't know if my eyes are gonna get irritated. This is like a first impressions. It really is a fun palette. I have to figure out how to work with it, but the colors are so vibrant and so real. The kick up is for real, dude, but like, don't press hard. You have so much product in those little pans or those giant pans. Don't dig in, just pat gently. And oh my God, you can look like a Shane Dawson guy. No, I don't know. I'm just looking at it now. Ooh. All right. As far as normal colors go, there are so many normal colors here, but like you just want to use the pinks and the purples and the pinks and the maroons and the greens, but really there are enough just normal colors here that are so nice. Like, I don't know, like, I was thinking that I like Juvia's Place more, but because I just like when I feel it, the way it swatches better, but I like how this spreads. It's a really nice formula, and I'm actually really surprised by it. And I'd been to a Morphe store before, and I dipped my hand in Jeffree Star's things, and they just don't feel good with your finger. But with a brush, wow. I mean, like, wow. So it makes me think twice about the whole concept of swatching. Like, I could do swatches on my arm, but it's really with the brush what a difference it makes. And I'm babbling. Thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blonde with a Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy Palette.